Nothing is better than celebrating a birthday with that someone special in your life and sharing a delicious bottle of wine with dinner and some cake. With the Lanbo LW3370B, you can always trust that your favorite bottle of wine or beer will be fresh and chilled to perfection, ready to toast any special occasion or celebration. If you're looking for the perfect, stylish and economical option in beverage and wine refrigeration that provides the coldest drinks and perfectly chilled wines, then the Lanbo LW3370B is the choice for you. Surprise your loved one with the LW3370B, an ideal addition to any room and sure to be the center of attention.